The story was taken from the residential interior project entitled EARTHY MACKAY HOUSE, completed by Cathie Hong Interiors studio. The owners is JOHN CALDER MACKAY, who built modest, accessible and today very desirable mid-century modern homes in swaths of Northern California. In 2020, when San Francisco's Cathie Hong was entrusted with making over a 1956 Mackay house in Mountain View, California, the interior designer preserved the pedigree of the 1,400 square foot home but made some tweaks into the main open-plan room comprising a kitchen, dining area, living room and additional sitting area. Cathie Hong introduced current pieces that have mid-century details like sliding panels but are built of light woods. Her goal? A softer version of mid-century. As she points out, furniture of that era was generally more angular and built of darker, redder teak. With large windows and self-effacing architecture, California modernism lets nature infuse the living experience, said Hong's, whose palette of greens and browns jibes with the towering greenery outside. We didn't want colors that felt artificial.